Saya peserta PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2020 Angkatan 3 dari LPTK Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta dengan nomor peserta 20222999101. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, my student.
Morning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today? Bagaimana kabarnya?
Fine.
Alhamdulillah. Good. Who is absent today? Yang tidak masuk siapa hari ini? Who is absent today?
Ricky, Bu.
Ricky, why? Astri. Ricky, what happened with Ricky? Lutfi?
He is sick.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope he will get well soon. What about Astri? What happened with Astri? Astri?
Coming wedding.
Oh, I see. So her cousin is holding a wedding party, right? It's okay. So before we start our lesson, please one of you lead the prayer.
Before we start our lesson today, let's pray together.
Amin. I hope today we will get a better knowledge. Saya harap hari ini kita bisa mendapatkan ilmu yang lebih baik ya. Amin. So before we start our lesson, I will recall last activity. Jadi sebelum kita mulai, saya mau mengingat lagi nih apa toh pembelajaran yang sudah kita lakukan minggu lalu. So do you still remember our last material atau last activity? Do you still remember?
Making a dialogue.
Making dialogue. Okay, membuat dialog. Making dialogue.
Yes.
What kind of dialogue kalau?
About offering help.
Offering help. What is offering help? Menawarkan?
Bantuan.
Remember the expression how to offer a help. Masih ingat tidak toh ungkapan bagaimana menawarkan bantuan kepada seseorang? Do you still remember? Ungkapannya apa saja?
May I help you?
Good. May I help you? Next.
Do you need help?
You need help. What else? Responses. Bagaimana tuh responnya? Kalau kita memberikan bantuan, pasti ada responnya. We will get the response.
Someone can accept or reject the help.
Okay, very good. So, bisa saja kita ditolak ataupun diterima ya bantuan kita, tidak selalu bantuan kita diterima. I hope you can implement the material. Saya harap kalian bisa mengimplementasikan offering help in your daily life. Jadi di kehidupan kalian, saya harap kalian bisa mengimplementasikannya. Help the others if they are in trouble and don't stop sharing your kindness to all people. Jadi jangan berhenti untuk berbuat baik kepada orang lain. Okay. I will share a video. Please look at the video and keep note. Silahkan membuat catatan tentang video tersebut. Okay. You can unmute your microphone during the video.
Hi, my name is Wilson and I've been working in the hotel and accommodation sector for the past 5 years. I'm on my way to work and let me show you what I love about my industry.
Morning, Wilson.
Hey Joe, how are you? Meet my new friends. They're here to find out more about what we do.
Hi, I'm Joe. As a concierge staff, it's part of my job to make our guests great first impression.
I see. Let me bring you in. Hi Atika.
Hi Wilson.
How are you?
Nice seeing you here. Definitely not checking in today.
No, I'm not. Why don't you share about what's your job like daily?
As you know, concierge being the first point of contact, we create the experiences for our guests. So other than that, other than check in and check out, we introduce places, also suggest dining options around the area.
What makes your job so fulfilling?
What I love is the smile in the faces, knowing that they actually enjoy their stay.
You're definitely passionate about your job.
It's all about the passion.
Joe, where are you going?
I'm heading to level 7 to send a parcel for a guest.
So other than sending the parcel, what else is interesting about being a concierge staff?
Okay, as a concierge staff, yeah, you have to make a reservation for guests. Let's say like restaurant, tour, and some transfer for guests.
So Joe, what does it take to be a good concierge staff?
Okay, to be a good concierge, firstly, yeah, we must make our guests feel like they are at home. Secondly, yes, we must be well groomed.
I see.
That's very important.
Alright. See you, Joe. Take care.
Hey, Wilson.
Hey, Kenneth. Wow, they smell yummy, man.
You know it's not for you, right?
I know, just joking. So you'll be preparing for the event tonight?
Yes, that's right. Other than arranging for meeting packages, we also have to give what our clients pay for.
So I guess you're the person to talk to if I'd like to organize a huge event like my wedding?
Yes, I'll be happy to assist with any event inquiries. You'll need things like your program flow, your setup, your dietary requirements of your guests.
Wow, that's so impressive.
Sorry.
Oh, Alicia, what are you doing over there?
Hi Wilson.
Hey,
I will need to go to the office to get some
I'll
props.
come along.
Sure.
So Alicia, what have you been up to lately?
I'm working on an exciting project. We are rebranding the Aqua Luna.
Right.
How do you like the logo?
Fabulous, this look great. I wish I could design like you. Is there going to be a party for the event?
Yes, we are organizing a party for the media. I need to work with different vendors who specialize in different work areas. My job is to make sure their work comes together so the hotel publicity is executed on time and within budget.
Wow, that sounds like a lot.
I would say our hotel website, I can get real-time feedback and work with diverse groups or professionals.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Wilson,
Hey Gaia.
should you see my email?
I've been trying to read it lately, but I've been so busy.
Not a problem. Anyway, I've confirmed the reservation for tomorrow's birthday party. You read the email, let me know if you have any questions.
Sure,
Coffee?
let's go. So Gaia, how on earth are you so efficient?
No, as a reservation agent, customer satisfaction is my goal. My job requires me to get information and special requests, communicating with various departments,
Right.
and indicating into the system.
Anything else intriguing about being a reservations executive?
You know, getting to meet guest requirements, provide me the satisfaction, fulfilling my job. That's why I love my job,
Right.
and I look forward to come to work every day.
It's really nice to have driven colleagues like yourself. I've been around for so long, but it's only today that I get to know of everyone. I feel like I can move to a different department right now.
Well, every day you can learn something new.
Definitely. So I love my job, I love my industry, and there are very few out there like mine. And I look forward to coming to work every day. Do click here to find out more about us. See you here again soon. Bye-bye. So Gaia, how are preparations coming along for Martin's 10th anniversary?
What do you think about the video? Menurut kalian videonya bagaimana? I have a question for you. What information that you get from the video? Can you get information from the video?
Job and job description in the hotel, Miss.
Okay, good. Jobs and job description, pekerjaan dan deskripsi pekerjaannya apa saja ya di hotel tersebut. Okay, good. What kind of job that you find in the video?
Reservation agent,
Reservation agent,
catering sales,
catering sales, and then
catering sales executive,
good. And then
hotel staff.
hotel staff. What else? Very good. Is there any job in hotel industry that not mentioned in the video? Kira-kira menurut kalian?
Housekeeping staff, Bu.
Oh, very good. Housekeeping staff. Okay.
Like engineering.
In a hotel there are a lot of profession. Jadi di jurusan kalian besok ada banyak sekali pekerjaannya. There are a lot of profession in hotel industry. I hope you can implement your knowledge in this school. In the industry, I have a question for you. What is your dream job? What is your dream?
Housekeeping, Bu.
Housekeeping. Good. What about you, Eva? So our learning objective today, tujuan pembelajaran kita hari ini, in this first meeting, the first one is analyze the social function, text structures, and language features from the application letters. And then the second one, analyze the part of an application letter. So our learning objective today there are two. Ada dua ya. Okay. Can you see my screen? What is the job on the picture? Can you see my picture?
Chef.
Chef, good. And then the second one. What is her profession?
Reporter maybe?
Reporter? No. Anyone can guess what she is doing? Beauty? Beauty vlogger. Do you know KKY?
Oh, beauty
Ah,
vlogger, ya?
yes, beauty
Yes,
vlogger.
I know.
Do you know KKY? Nah, she is a beautiful vlogger. And this one, can you guess what is her profession? Kira-kira apa toh ini pekerjaannya?
Receptionist.
Resepsionis. I have a question for you. Have you ever read a job vacancy? Pernahkah kalian membaca lowongan pekerjaan?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay, where?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Where can you find job vacancy? Di mana kalian bisa menemukan job vacancy? Where can you find?
On the newspaper.
On the newspaper. What else? Apalagi? Apakah hanya di koran saja?
Radio, Bu.
Radio. What about the other source? Bagaimana sumber yang lain? Mana lagi?
Internet maybe.
Internet. Very good. I have an example of a job vacancy. What information can you find in this job vacancy? Informasi apa yang bisa kalian dapat dari lowongan pekerjaan ini?
Position yang ditawarkan, Miss.
Position, posisi ya, posisinya apa di situ? What else? Apalagi?
Address the hotel.
Address the hotel. Address itu apa tuh? Alamat. Good. Good. What position are offered in the job vacancy? Hello? What position are offered in the job vacancy? Posisi apa yang ditawarkan?
Front desk again.
Okay.
Chef formal, Miss.
Okay. Can you repeat? Bisa diulangi?
From front desk again, and so chef formal, Miss.
Okay, very good. So there are two positions which are offered in the job vacancy. Jadi ada dua ya yang ditawarkan di sana, front desk agent and then sous chef. It is for male. Jadi buat laki-laki ya lowongannya. Now, what will you do if you find a job vacancy and you really want the position?
Melamar, Miss, atau mengirimkan surat?
Surat apa yang dikirimkan?
Surat lamaran pekerjaan.
Good. You can apply for a job by sending an application letter. Jadi kalian bisa melamar pekerjaan dengan mengirimkan application letter, surat lamaran pekerjaan. Now, I have an example. Of an application letter. Please read for a while. Jadi ada contoh surat di sini, silahkan dibaca dulu sebentar, 2-3 menit. Oke, 2 until 3 minutes. It's okay?
Okay.
Okay, please read. Have you finished?
Yes, Miss.
Okay,
Yes.
good. I have a question for you and I will test whether you read the letter or not. Saya mau ngetes nih. Kalian baca benar atau tidak? Okay, the first question for Eva. Who is the sender of the letter?
Yes, Miss. The sender atau pengirimnya Helen Biron.
Okay, good. Helen Biron. Is it right? Not Biron, but Byron. right? Helen Byron. Yes, Helen Byron. Byron. Okay, good. Next question for Nova. For Nova, who is the recipient of the letter?
Simpson, Bu. Janessa Simpson, Bu.
Janessa Simpson.
Simpson.
Oke. Penerimanya Janessa Simpson. Good. What position is applied for? Kalau is applied or the other?
Hotel receptionist.
Good, hotel receptionist. So this is the example of an application letter. There is the sender pengirim, and then addressee yang dikirimkan siapa di situ, and then there are some part of application letter. So application letter is a document sent with the resume to provide additional information on your skills and experience. Jadi surat lamaran pekerjaan itu adalah dokumen yang dikirimkan disertai dengan resume, atau biasanya kalau kita daftar riwayat hidup, to provide additional information, untuk menyediakan informasi tambahan mengenai your skill. What is skill? Apa tuh skill tuh?
Kemampuan.
And experience. What is experience?
Pengalaman.
So application letter must contain your skill and your experience, harus ada ya di situ ya. And then the social function or the purpose is to apply for a certain job. Saya kurang ya di situ ya. To apply for a certain job, untuk melamar pekerjaan tertentu tujuannya. Jadi nanti the social function of application letter can be read in the first paragraph. Jadi tujuannya pasti ada di paragraf pertama. Itu mau melamar bagian apa di sana, pasti ada di paling awal. And then the information about the job. And then the language features in the application letters usually uses the following expression. Jadi nanti jika kalian menemukan sebuah surat dengan beberapa ungkapan berikut, it is included into an application letter. I am writing to apply for the position blah blah blah. I'm writing in referring to the advertisement in. I heard that your company is hiring. I am a university graduate majoring in, and blah blah blah. So there are a lot of language features in the application letter. Play a video. I will play a video about part of an application letter. You can keep the note on your paper. Silakan ditulis ya, silakan ditulis informasi yang kalian dapatkan nantinya.
Address, alamat pelamar, terdiri dari your name, nama, your address, alamat tempat tinggal, your telephone number, nomor telepon, and your email address, alamat email. Due date. Pada bagian tanggal ada berbentuk British style dan American style. Dalam British style, bulan dituliskan terlebih dahulu, kemudian diikuti tanggal dan tahunnya. Biasanya kita menggunakan ordinal number untuk format ini. Dan dalam American style, kita menuliskan tanggal terlebih dahulu, kemudian diikuti bulan dan tahunnya. Format ini menggunakan cardinal number. 3. Employer's address, alamat penerima, terdiri dari employer's name, nama penerima, job title, jabatan penerima, company's name, nama perusahaan, company's address, alamat perusahaan. 4. Salutation, salam pembuka. Teman-teman bisa menuliskan Dear Sir or Madam atau Dear Mr. or Mrs. 5. Opening paragraph, paragraf pembuka. Di dalam opening paragraph, teman-teman bisa menuliskan informasi diri dan posisi yang dilamar. Paragraf ini juga menuntun pada paragraf selanjutnya dengan menyebutkan kualifikasi yang dimiliki secara singkat dan alasan kita tertarik terhadap posisi yang dilamar. Seek body of letter. Di dalam body of letter berisi tentang kualifikasi atau keterampilan yang kita miliki. Kita juga dapat menyebutkan prestasi yang pernah diraih untuk menunjukkan bahwa kita memang cocok untuk posisi yang dilamar. Jadi, pada bagian ini kita mempromosikan diri kita sebaik mungkin. 7. Closing paragraph. Paragraf terakhir merupakan paragraf penutup. Kita dapat menyampaikan bahwa kita memiliki kualifikasi yang sesuai untuk posisi yang dilamar. Kita juga dapat menyertakan kontak pribadi sekaligus menunjukkan bahwa kita mengharapkan sebuah panggilan wawancara dan menutupnya dengan ucapan terima kasih. 8. Closing. Pada bagian closing, kita bisa menuliskan yours sincerely or yours faithfully. 9. Signature. Kita menuliskan nama lengkap disertai tanda tangan.
Have you watched the video? Sudah dilihat videonya? Yes?
Yes, Miss.
Good. So, what can you get from the video? Informasi apa yang bisa kalian dapat dari video tersebut?
Bagian-bagian application letter.
Good.
Bagian application letter.
Good. And then, what else? Atau bahasa Inggrisnya apa itu? Parts of
application letter.
Good. Parts of an application letter. Can you mention the part of application letter? Bisa disebutkan tidak bagian-bagiannya?
Application address, date, recipient address, salutation, opening paragraph, body of the letter, closing, and signature, Miss.
Very good. So, address itu apa? Alamat pengirim ya?
Pengirim.
And then date.
Alamat pelamar.
Good. What is date? Date apa date? Tanggalnya. Jadi tadi dijelaskan ada American style and British style, ada dua jenis ya. And then recipient address, alamat penerima. Salutation, what is salutation?
Sambutan.
Salam pembuka. Oke. Salam pembuka. Good. Opening paragraph. Paragraf awal ya, body of letter, closing, and signature. What is signature? Tanda tangan. Oke, good. If you send it by handwriting, jika ditulis dengan tanda tangan, dengan tangan biasanya menggunakan tanda tangan. I have an exercise for you. Lihat dulu, please take a look for a while and then determine the part of the application letter. Part of this letter, what is the name?
Pengirim.
Oke, alamat pengirim or sender. Alamat?
Address.
Sender address. Very good.
Sender address.
Oke. Applicant address or the sender. Applicant itu pelamar ya. And then what is the next part? Mela. September. Date. Oke, date. Not date nanti mati nanti artinya ya. Date September 1, 2018. Date. What about the next part? Anyone can answer the next part?
Recipient address.
Recipient address. Good. Ini. Oke, alamat penerima. What about the next part?
Salutation.
Very good. Salutation, dear Miss Low. Okay. Applicant address, date, recipients, salutation, and what the next part? What is the
Opening
next?
paragraph.
Opening paragraph or paragraph pembuka. In this opening paragraph, you can express your purpose of the letter. Jadi di opening paragraph ini biasanya penulis or the applicant write down the position that they want. Jadi posisi yang dilamar biasanya ada di paragraf pertama. Very good, Nova. What is the next part? Bagian selanjutnya apa? Yuk.
Body of the letter.
Body of the letter, atau kalau bahasa Indonesianya isi suratnya ya, intinya. Body of the letter, this high profile data breaches making the news slightly and bla bla bla. Jadi di body of the letter ini, in this body of the letter you can express your skill, your experience, your education background, your qualification, and then after body of the letter,
Closing paragraph.
closing paragraph. Very good, Anis. Okay, I have attached a copy of my resume and the detail my experience. I can be reached anytime via cell phone 1 2 3 4 blah blah blah. In this closing paragraph, you can attach your phone number or your email address in order the recipient can contact you easily. Jadi don't forget to say thank you, ada ungkapan terima kasih, thank you for your time, thank you for your consideration, etc. And then what is after closing paragraph? What is the next part?
Closing.
Closing or penutup ya, biasanya ada best regards, yours sincerely or truthfully, etc. And the last one is after closing,
The signature.
the signature. Very good. So this is the part of an application letter. I hope you can determine the part of application letter and you can write down a simple draft about an application letter. Jadi nanti berdasarkan ini kalian bisa menulis sebuah draft surat lamaran pekerjaan. Next. I have an application letter for you. Saya punya surat lamaran pekerjaan di sini. And then there are 5 questions based on the application letter. Jadi ada sebuah surat lamaran pekerjaan and then there are 5 questions based on the application letter. I will give you 10 minutes to you can discuss with your friend. Jadi silakan berdiskusi dengan teman kalian. Is it enough? Cukup? 10 minutes? Enough? Is it
Cukup.
enough? Okay, good. Okay, have you finished your task? Sudah selesai belum? Have you finished?
Finish.
Finish. Okay. The questions, there are 5 questions. Number 1 is why does the writer write the letter? Where did the writer find the vacancy? What paragraph does show the writer qualification, etc. So, okay. Anyone can answer the number 1? Number 1 who wants to answer number 1? Number 1?
She wants to apply for a job, a graphic designer.
A graphic designer.
On the paragraph 1.
Okay, where can you find the information? It is on the paragraph 1. Okay, I'm writing to respond to your advertisement and blah 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 about vacancy for a graphic designer. Very good. And then what is about number 2? Who wants to answer number 2?
Number 2, the answer is jobstreet.com.
Jobstreet.com. Okay, where the applicant find the job vacancy, di mana atau bisa menemukan job vacancy-nya itu ada di www.jobstreet.com in the internet. Okay, what about the number 3?
Number 3, the answer is on the second paragraph.
Okay, number 3. The question is, what paragraph does show the writer's qualification? Paragraf mana yang menunjukkan kualifikasi si pelamar? Okay, on the second paragraph. Very good. I am a vocational high school graduate majoring multimedia. I'm skillful in using CorelDRAW, Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, etc. Okay, very good. Very good. Galo, what is number 4? Number 4 wants to answer number 4.
Invite atau diundang interview atau wawancara.
Okay, on the last paragraph, she attach the phone number and email. Jadi dia mengharapkan nanti di interview ya, di wawancara after sending the application letter. Very good. What is the last question?
Content writer maybe, Bu, karena itu kualifikasinya tentang teknologi.
Oke, kita bisa lihat lagi ya. If you were Rinjani, jika kamu seorang Rinjani, what other vacancy would you apply? Jadi selain graphic designer, berdasarkan kualifikasinya itu dia bisa bekerja di apa? Oke, kalau kata Nova, content writer. Oke, zaman sekarang, now in the modern era, there are a lot of people using platform YouTube, etc. So the content writer is an interesting job. Okay, the interesting job. Okay, very good. So end of our lesson, but before we end the lesson, I have a question for you. What is the best part of this lesson? Bagian mana menurut kalian di pelajaran ini yang menurut kalian paling menarik? What is the best part of the lesson? Anyone?
On the video, Miss, saya suka kalau ada videonya tidak boring.
Tidak boring. What is boring? Membosankan. Oke. Jadi video will give you more comprehension, bisa memberikan pengertian yang lebih dalam ya tentang materinya. Anyone can conclude our lesson today?
I study about social function and part of the application ladder. The social function of an application ladder is to apply for a job.
Very good, Galuh. So we have studied about application ladder, about the social function, and the social function or purpose or tujuan is to apply for a job, untuk melamar sebuah pekerjaan. What else?
The part of application letter, contohnya sender address, date, reception address, dan lain-lain.
Very good. So beside the social function and the we also learn about the part application letter. So if you want to write an application letter, jika ingin menulis sebuah surat lamaran pekerjaan, you must want to send an application letter, state your purpose clearly. Kalian harus menyebutkan secara jelas tujuannya apa, what position will you apply for, and then don't forget to state your qualification, your skill, your experience, educational background. Jadi di body of the paragraph kalian harus bisa menyebutkan skill kalian apa, pengalaman kalian apa, kemudian educational background, pendidikan, latar belakang pendidikan. And then on the last paragraph, di paragraf terakhir, don't forget to attach your phone number or email, and don't forget to say thanks to the recipient. Okay, and this is the end of our lesson. On the next meeting, I will ask you to make a draft. An application letter based on the job vacancy that you find on the internet. Jadi nanti kalian cari sebuah job vacancy di internet, and then you make a draft of an application letter. Okay, any question? Any question?
Not yet, sir.
Not yet.
Not yet, Miss.
Okay. If you have no question, please one of you lead the prayer. Silakan salah satu memimpin berdoa.
Okay. Okay. Everybody gets ready. Let's pray. Begin. Finish.
Amin. Keep healthy, keep happy, and keep your spirit to study. Although you are at home. Okay. Bye bye. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.